We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the lens cover camera. Here we have the power and volume control flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We have finished the assembly process.